Principles of sports nutrition. I designed the athlete's food pyramid as an alternative to Canada's food guide, the USDA food pyramid, and other pyramids that were clearly designed and created as a result of influence from corporations and not science. Any food guide or pyramid that tolerates the consumption of refined, processed, sterilized dead food is a compromised food pyramid. And that's what makes it obvious that it is designed based on anything except food and nutrition science. We know that the human genome needs specific micronutrients and macronutrients in specific ratios and amounts, and that's the function of food, to sustain the organism. That's why we eat, to consume energy, to transfer energy, diet, discipline in energy transfer. That's what this means. So you want to put a pyramid together, a design of food that is based on the prime directive of supplying human biological demand. You'll notice that the first tier relates to the consumption of dietary supplements. I don't think that the best diet in the world supplies you with everything you need. It doesn't. We know that for fact. We can measure this in all animal species, including humans. So we want to reinforce the best diet, a whole food, natural, clean diet with high quality, science-based dietary supplements, things like essential nutrients, vitamin C, vitamin E. Be generous with these things and combine them with a whole food diet. We want to drink copious amounts of clean filtered water, 30 milliliters per kilogram of lean mass. Make juices every day, freshly squeezed juices right from the plant. Consume fresh green vegetables, colored vegetables, rainbow salads. Use natural dressings. Organic fresh fruit. Use those in your shakes, like berries, for example. Low-fat tissue proteins, wild game, fish, antelope, caribou, moose, farm-fresh, omega-3 rich eggs, scallops, prawns, mussels, halibut, wild salmon. The best way to consume dairy products is in a cultured state, whole, from animals that eat green grass, and raw. But unfortunately, these are difficult to find. So if you're going to buy some yogurt or any cheese, for example, choose a lower fat. Therefore, we have less environmental toxins, less toxins which are soluble in fat. These products are commercially processed, and therefore by reducing the fat, we reduce the risk of damage to our cells. When choosing grains, choose whole grains. Try and avoid gluten. Go for brown rice or wild rice instead of white rice. If you use beans, peas, lentils, and legumes, make sure that they're compatible with your biochemistry and your intestinal tract. Fresh live oils are oils that have not been compromised, degummed, winterized, and destroyed by heat. They're living oils like hemp seed and flax seed and all of the natural oils that are sold in health food stores, particularly those that are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, the parent mother of the omega-3 family chain. Natural sweeteners, choose molasses, raw honey, real maple syrup. Food that is available from nature, that has always been available, that spawned humanity, of which our DNA and genome and life is built upon. These are the foods that we need to consume on a daily basis, and we need to have a guide. The amount of food is going to vary from one person to the next, and also with that same individual, it's relative to their metabolic activity and demands, their exercise requirements, their frequency of exercise. There's a lot of variables. So this is a guide that focuses on quality. Never mind counting calories. Let's count quality. Let's understand first and foremost that the food that we consume should alkalize the body, not acidify the body, and ideally supply everything that it needs to be robust, to be vital, to be ambitious and active and motivated. This is one of the reasons why people lack the motivation to exercise and train and play sport because they're not eating whole, real food. And the athlete's food pyramid, if you follow these guidelines, will help you create an ideal diet for your own unique biochemical requirements and biological demands. Remember the CHI prime directive: supply your biological demand.